Inside this modern cereal factory, we'll follow frosted cornflakes from grain to bowl. From raw kernels to paper-thin flakes, every frosted cornflake is engineered for perfect crunch. Inside the cereal factory, thousands of frosted cornflakes fly past every second. A fine sugar mist transforms plain flakes into the sweet frosted cornflakes you recognize. This massive cereal factory is dedicated to making frosted cornflakes for millions of breakfasts.
From receiving raw corn to shipping finished boxes of frosted cornflakes, every step is automated.
Stay with us to see how frosted cornflakes are really made inside a modern cereal factory.
Welcome to our cereal factory, where we turn simple corn into frosted cornflakes you enjoy every morning.
Today, I'll walk you through how frosted cornflakes are made, from corn grain to frosted flakes.
The corn used for frosted cornflakes is chosen for its consistency and quality. These silos store enough corn to keep frosted cornflakes production running around the clock. Each load is inspected, so only clean, safe corn goes into frosted cornflakes. Sugar is another key ingredient, giving frosted cornflakes their signature sweet coating. These sugar crystals will be dissolved into syrup and later sprayed onto hot frosted cornflakes. Even the packaging for frosted cornflakes is carefully prepared in advance. Branded cartons are staged so they're ready when the frosted cornflakes reach packaging. An organized inventory system keeps the frosted cornflakes production process efficient. Every ingredient used to make frosted cornflakes is tracked and recorded for food safety. From here, corn for frosted cornflakes moves into cleaners and mills. Now we follow how frosted cornflakes are made as the corn enters processing. First, corn destined for frosted cornflakes is cleaned to remove husks, dust, and stones. Only kernels of the right size move forward to become frosted cornflakes.
Clean corn is milled into grits, the base particle used for making frosted cornflakes.
These grits give frosted cornflakes their texture and shape once they're cooked and flaked. The grits are mixed with water, sugar, malt, and salt to form the base for frosted cornflakes. This mash is pressure cooked to soften the grains that will become frosted cornflakes. Operators monitor time, temperature, and moisture to ensure consistent frosted cornflakes quality. After cooking, the grits for frosted cornflakes are fully gelatinized and tender. Next, excess moisture is removed so frosted cornflakes can crisp up later. Warm air flows through the grits, preparing them for flaking into frosted cornflakes.
Samples are tested to keep moisture in the ideal range for making frosted cornflakes.
The grits rest in tempering bins so moisture evens out before becoming frosted cornflakes. After tempering, the grits travel to the heart of the frosted cornflakes process, flaking and toasting. All of these machines work together so frosted cornflakes come out the same every time.
Now we'll see where the cooked grits become recognizable as frosted cornflakes.
A thin blanket of grits is fed between these rollers to form flat flakes for frosted cornflakes.
The pressure flattens each grain into a sheet, shaping the iconic frosted cornflakes flake.
Fresh flakes are still soft at this point, and not yet frosted cornflakes as you know them. They head into high-temperature toasters, which dry and brown the frosted cornflakes. Carefully controlled heat creates the signature color and crunch of frosted cornflakes. Color cameras and sensors ensure every frosted cornflake is toasted just right. Out of the oven, the flakes are hot, light, and ready for sweetening into frosted cornflakes.
Sugar is dissolved into a precise syrup, used to coat the toasted flakes for frosted cornflakes.
This syrup line feeds a rotating drum that gently coats the frosted cornflakes. Inside, syrup is misted over hot flakes, forming the frosted cornflakes sugar layer.
As the syrup cools, sugar crystallizes, creating that crunchy, frosted cornflakes texture.
What rolls out here finally looks like the frosted cornflakes you pour into your cereal bowl.
A final drying step ensures frosted cornflakes stay crisp in the box.
Acoustic tests can even measure the crunch of frosted cornflakes during quality checks. Screens and sieves ensure most frosted cornflakes reach you at the ideal size. Metal detectors add another layer of safety before frosted cornflakes are packaged. Bulk hoppers hold frosted cornflakes, while precise weighers divide them into bag-size portions. A tight seal helps keep frosted cornflakes fresh and crunchy until you open the bag. Filled bags of frosted cornflakes now head toward their cardboard cartons. Each bag of frosted cornflakes is automatically tucked into the right box. Glue is applied and flaps are folded to securely close each frosted cornflakes box. Sealed shipping cases protect frosted cornflakes during transport. Stretch wrapping keeps entire loads of frosted cornflakes secure in transit. This packaging hall can produce thousands of boxes of frosted cornflakes per hour. Finished cases of frosted cornflakes leave the packaging area and head for storage. Now, frosted cornflakes move into climate-controlled warehousing. Rows of pallets store frosted cornflakes until orders are ready to ship. Samples of frosted cornflakes are pulled from each batch for routine checks. Meanwhile, quality teams test frosted cornflakes to verify crunch, flavor, and nutrition. Color is measured to keep every frosted cornflakes box visually consistent. Sensory panels taste frosted cornflakes to check sweetness, flavor, and crunch. Only approved batches of frosted cornflakes are cleared to leave the factory. Pallets of frosted cornflakes are loaded onto trucks bound for stores and distribution centers. From here, frosted cornflakes travel across the country to breakfast tables. This modern cereal factory runs day and night to keep up with demand for frosted cornflakes.
And that's how frosted cornflakes are made, from cornfields to finished cereal boxes.
Every box of frosted cornflakes you buy represents a carefully controlled cereal production process. On store shelves, frosted cornflakes compete for attention with other breakfast cereals. Yet every simple pour of frosted cornflakes starts with advanced cereal factory technology. Their crisp texture and sweet frosting are the result of tightly controlled frosted cornflakes production. On store shelves, Frosted Corn Flakes compete for attention with other breakfast cereals. We've seen how Frosted Corn Flakes are made: cleaning, milling, cooking, flaking, toasting, coating, and packaging.
If you enjoyed this look inside our Frosted Corn Flakes cereal factory, we'd love to show you more.
Hit like, comment what you'd like to see next, and subscribe for more factory tours on how foods like Frosted Corn Flakes are made.
Understanding how Frosted Corn Flakes are made reveals the complexity behind simple breakfasts. You've been watching how Frosted Corn Flakes are made today inside a modern cereal factory.
Subscribe for more factory tours, cereal factory videos, and deep dives into the cereal production process behind Frosted Corn Flakes.
You've been watching how Frosted Corn Flakes are made today inside a modern cereal factory. Replay anytime if you want to revisit how Frosted Corn Flakes are made from raw corn to finished cereal. Just remember the journey. Clean, cook, flake, toast, frost, and pack your Frosted Corn Flakes.
Thanks for visiting our Frosted Corn Flakes cereal factory. See you on the next tour.
Share this video with someone who's curious about how Frosted Corn Flakes and other breakfast cereals are made. From this factory to your kitchen, Frosted Corn Flakes connect complex engineering with everyday life. Click one of the videos on screen to explore more behind-the-scenes stories like this Frosted Corn Flakes tour.